basement of a high-performance home. This happens to be the media room, and when it's all said and done, this will look obviously completely different. But this gives you a very good look at what's going on behind the wall. This product is called the ICF, which stands for Insulated Concrete Form. It has insulation on both the inside and the outside of the concrete wall. So it gives you the ultimate in terms of a thermal protection, as well as greatly reducing or eliminating the thermal transfer. One of the nice things about this assembly is that it takes care of all of the insulation requirements. So you don't have to come back after framing and re-insulate. Insulating a basement is one of the most difficult things even in modern construction. The concrete foundation itself is a huge transmitter of both cool and humidity, creating problems with the framing and insulation when it's done the standard way. So with ICF, it completely eliminates that. It also gives us the R values we need for high performance construction. ICF will be a standard foundation in the near future as we move progressively towards